Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Romania. On tonight's menu, Romanian stewed cabbage. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. I add the onion and give them a good saute for a few minutes. Then I add a little bit of garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. I add the bell pepper and the carrots and get them sauteed. Then I add the tomato and a little bit of tomato paste and get it stirred in. Then I add the herbs and spices and sugar. And then I add the cabbage. Here it is just before the simmer. And it's going to simmer about 30 minutes. Here it is after the simmer. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.